Hello paper friends, today I make the sticky notes designs for the first time. I've never done this before, but let's do this. So I make 6 designs in an A4 sheet, and I make 8 copy of it, then print it out. So I just made these designs. You can find this template in the description, but please use only for personal. So this sticky notes design is only for personal use. Okay, I'm almost finished it. Then I download it in PDF for print. So this was the first part of my sticky notes videos. In the second part I will print it out, then I will glue it. See you in my next video. Bye!